On a bright sunny morning, deep inside a magical green forest, a tiny little egg rested quietly on a soft green leaf. The wind blew gently through the trees. Colorful flowers danced happily, and birds sang sweet little songs high above the forest. Everything was peaceful and calm. Then suddenly, crack! The tiny egg began to shake. Crack, crack. A tiny green caterpillar slowly peeked out into the world. He looked around with his big shiny eyes. The forest was huge, bright, and beautiful. But the little caterpillar had one very big problem. He was very hungry. His tiny tummy rumbled loudly, so the little caterpillar began searching for food. He crawled slowly across the leaf, looking left and right. Then suddenly, a shiny red apple rolled down from a nearby tree. The caterpillar's eyes grew wide with excitement. Ah, the juicy apple smelled sweet and delicious. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The little caterpillar happily ate the whole apple. But after finishing the apple, his tummy still rumbled. He was still hungry. The next morning, the warm sun rose over the forest once again. Tiny drops of morning dew sparkled on the grass. As the caterpillar crawled forward, 2 juicy pears suddenly dropped from a tall tree. The little caterpillar smiled happily. Munch, munch, munch. He ate both pears very quickly. The sweet pears tasted wonderful. But even after eating 2 pears, he was still hungry. The next day, 3 purple plums appeared beside the sparkling river. The little caterpillar hurried toward them excitedly. Nibble, nibble, nibble.